Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Using a 21mm socket, remove the wheel. Using an 18mm socket and wrench, remove the nut retaining the sway bar. Using a 21mm socket and wrench, remove the bottom shock bolt along with the shock. This relieves the spring so we are able to move it out of the way of our workspace. Then, remove your bump stop. This makes the part easier to weld on without it getting in the way. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear coil spring bucket. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the part with a weldable primer to help prevent the risk of rust formation. Step 4. Hold the part up to the frame and put it into place. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part into place before welding it on fully. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall the shock with a 21mm socket, sway bar with an 18mm socket, and wheel with a 21mm socket. Then you're done!